Alright, so in this video we'll learn what a variable is and what is it used for. So yeah, variable. So what is a variable? Variable is basically like a box that you can put something into it. For example, int box I don't know, int my box, and we put the value of 20. Now variable, as I said earlier, is that it's like a box that you can put anything into it. Now in this case, the box itself, this is the variable name, and it's a variable my box is never used. Okay, we'll worry about that later. Now as I said, we can put anything, but in this case we restrict only to int, which is an integer or a whole number. So we can only put an integer. We can't put like for example, hello world into this box. No, you can't do that because we initialize over here int, and so we'll try to output what is inside the box. We can print out system.out print line my box, and let's run the program, and there you go, we printed out 20. Now if we change to, for example, 70 and we run it again, so we printed out what is inside the variable or the box in that analogy. So yeah, a variable is also changeable. It can be changed over time. For example, we can do something like this, my box, and we change it to the value of 30, and we try to print that again. System.out.print line. Now we'll see what is inside the box. Now you see the value of 30 is printed out. So yeah, as I said, it's changeable because we replace what is inside the box to 30. Initially it was 70, and yeah, that's variable.